Binata ka na.
Almost teen daw.
Almost teen.
Almost teen?
You're almost teen daw.
13, almost teen ka na. Thank you po.
Yeah,
Sabi mo.
binata ka na. May girlfriend ka na?
Hmm?
May pasok pa yung birthday boy. It's 12:10 p.m.
Walang patat pa.
Naantok si birthday boy. May school pa siya. Birthday boy. So, may exam pa siya. After exam, dun pa kami lalabas. Hi guys! Good morning! So, it's October 24, 2025. 12:37 p.m. So, birthday ni Ivo today. Dito ako sa kusina. Nagve-vlog secretly. But no, actually, na-receive na kasi namin yung cake na in-order namin sa kanya kaninang umaga. So, piniprepare namin ngayon. Kasi currently si Ivo, naka-attend pa siya ng online class niya. So, matatapos siya by 1 p.m. After that, we're planning to go out para kumain sa labas. And also, we're waiting dun sa gift na gusto niya. We ordered last night and today din yung delivery. So, hopefully, bago kami umalis, ma-receive na namin. So, yeah, prepare lang kami ng daddy niya. See you. Update lang guys. So, na-receive na namin yung monitor ng gaming PC niya. Naghihintay pa kami ng ibang parts kasi yun yung birthday present na gusto niyang ma-receive sa amin. So, gaming PC ang gusto niya. So, si daddy niya yung magsa-set up. So, tinago muna namin siya dito sa isang kwarto sa flat na bakante habang nag-a-attend pa siya nung online school niya. So, ayan siya. Turn on ko lang yung light. Yun. So, yun yung monitor ng PC. And right now, we're just waiting dun sa iba pang parts niya. So, time check. It's 3:09. Katatapos lang namin mag-ayos. Aalis na kami. We decided to go to Dubai Mall para doon kumain. See you there! Okay, so, here you go. Yan na yung Salina. Okay. Happy birthday, dear Betsy. Happy 12th birthday, Bebsi Boo.
Thank you, Mom.
Blow your cake. Yay! What can you say? What can you say?
I love it very much.
Happy?
Yes.
So, ayan yung regalong hiningi niya. Gaming computer. Ayan. Excited na siya. Ayaw niya nang lumabas para kumain. Gusto na agad niyang pa-set up at gamitin.
Of course, I'm very
Hey, happy kid!
I think I did help too. I am
Hold the box. Yan na, binubuksan niya na yung regalo niya. Paalis na sana kami, pero first, syempre, silipin muna niya yung regalo niya. So that's the monitor.
It
Sakto
looks like the
lang.
same, but it looks more skinnier.
So, ayan yung monitor.
How heavy it is?
Yan ang monitor.
It's not as heavy pala.
Yes! So happy! Yung dalawa nasa kwarto pa. Ang bilis ng oras guys, 4 PM na hindi pa kami kumakain kasi nga sinave namin para makakain kami sa labas. Nagre-request siya ng lasagna, spaghetti. So anyway, paalis na kami.
Did you do?
It's a birthday boy. Kahit ayaw niya nang umalis. Gusto niya na agad itry yung kanyang gift.
Nasa elevator pa lang, ito na uwi.
So, kakain lang kami sa labas. Guys! See you sa Dubai Mall. Boss, saan ka? Saan ka daw?
Burj Khalifa.
Sa Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa. Parang may nag-check pa rin ng Nol card. Yung tunog na ano. The Dubai perfume. So, nandito na kami kung saan yung ni-request ng restaurant. Order na kami ng favorite niyang lasagna and pizza. Lasagna and spaghetti. Oo.
Wala tayo silang spaghetti.
Walang spaghetti bo ata. Lasagna lang daw meron sila bo.
Wait, let me check again.
The-double check ni
Walang
Dad.
spaghetti.
Lasagna. This is the lasagna and that's the chicken baked pasta. Looks yummy.
Saan mga ray ka na?
Oray ko ng konti. Yan. So this is the baked chicken pasta.
She was just 17. I think I was 23. People started to talk, you know what I mean. You were out of my league. I think it's still plain to see. Sometimes I still don't know what you're doing with me. You took me home, I had to meet your dad. And everybody
Shoe boy, happy? Full?
Now I want to go back home.
Puro mukha. Hi! Pauwi na kami. Pagod na rin si Ivo. 7 p.m. Tapos na kami kumain. Excited na siya para sa kanyang gaming PC. Excited na rin yung daddy niyang iset up yung PC. Right, po? See you at home! Finally, nakauwi na kami. So, yung pamilya namin sa Pinas, nag-prepare din ng cake for Evo. Thank you so
So
much!
this is my birthday vlog and I'm done with everything in what we did. We ate, we did gifts, and we did birthday cake, and now I'm finished. So this is for the end of the day.
today.
Bye-bye! Bye.